So since we are meeting for the first time, sir, so please, I want you to please tell me something about yourself so that I got to know about you a little bit.
Okay, definitely I will tell you everything about myself.
Yes.
Well, thanks for giving me the opportunity to introduce front of. Okay, my name is Mohammad Mujahid Khan.
Okay.
I am from this district, Pratapgarh, and nowadays I am pursuing my graduation. Last semester is going, as well as I am learning English, and my hobbies are reading books, traveling, etc. Okay, that's
Okay.
all.
Okay. That's great. But I would say don't watch your face to yourself. Watch on camera so that yeah, it's okay. It's okay. So apart from studying and right now, what are you doing? Another thing. Do you work anywhere? Any kind of?
No, no. Currently, I am not working.
Okay, just reading, right?
Yeah, yeah. I'm pursuing my graduation. After completing my graduation, I will go anywhere.
Okay, so when you were 12, so which all subjects you took?
Yeah, math, English,
So first you tell me, so which stream you had? Like arts, commerce?
art
Yeah,
side. From
arts.
yeah,
Okay. So in which year you completed your 12th? Like because I am also a 12th pass student and because of some reasons I stopped studying. Yeah. And now just learning.
I completed my 10th class in 2020, and apart from I completed my 12th standard in 2022.
2022. Okay. But I have completed my 12th 2023. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have completed my 12th. But after completing my 12th, I stopped studying. Yes. Tell
First of
me.
all,
So, okay, okay. Go on, go on. What were you saying?
yeah. First of all, I want you to introduce yourself because I don't know about you, who you are, and where are you from, and anything else. So,
Okay, why not? So my name is NAKUL Kumar and I am from a beautiful district called Kishanganj in the state of Bihar. So do you know Bihar?
yeah, yeah. Bihar is
Yes.
beside UP. Actually.
Yes, I am from Bihar and if I talk about my education, as I said, I am a student of 12th but somehow due to some reasons after completing my 12th I stopped schooling studies. Yes, and right now I am learning English. Actually, it was my dream to speak English, so that is why I am learning English. And if I talk about my family background, so we three brothers and three sisters. Some of my siblings are married, while some are unmarried. And if I talk about my interest, I love reading, writing, and interacting with co-learners just like you, and playing cricket. Yeah, I love it. So that's quite a lot about me. Since when you are learning English?
Yeah,
Means
I
when did you start learning English?
okay, okay. I will tell you everything.
Okay.
First of all, it is my childhood dream
Okay.
uh, that I have to learn English one day. That's why I have started learning English last in 2024, and 6 months ago I could not speak English. Uh,
Okay.
a
But
single thing, but I realized many villagers people, many students are speaking in English. Why can't I speak English? That's why
yeah.
I realized I can speak English because English is not a big deal, and everyone can speak English. I motivate myself
Yes.
that I can speak English. That's why nowadays I'm able to speak English, but a little bit. But I have to. I need improve myself. I need improve my English level.
Yes, everything will be fixed because you right now you are able to speak English a little bit. So just you have to do some tips you can say. Yeah, so first of all I would say you have got to put hours if you want to become fluent. And as you can see, I think I am also able to speak English a little bit, I think more than you. So that is why I am going to propose some suggestion. Yeah, and you can implement if you want. Okay,
Yeah,
so may I suggest some? So first of all, I would say if you really want to speak English, as you can see right now, I can speak a little bit with my confidence. I wanna say, so before 3 or 4 months ago, right? So 4 months ago, I was nothing. Means either I could speak English, nor I had this much confidence. But after 3 months or 4 months, as you can see right now, I am able to speak English a little bit. So that is why I am going to give you some suggestion or tips, and if you really follow it, whatever I'm gonna tell you in this video, so I would say you are also gonna achieve, yeah, this much confidence whatever I am right now. So first of all, start your day with a fresh start. Means when you wake up, I don't know when you wake up from after you waking up in bed, so you start watching some English content, means related to your progress. Means you are learning English, you are progress on learning English. So that is why you have to learn, or you have to watch or write whatever you want to watch, whatever your hearts tell you to do. So you do, but it should be only in English. So first of all, you have to do, yeah, English English watch or write whatever you want to do in the morning, and in the entire day you have to talk just like me. Yeah, so it's like, and after, and and in the evening, then you have to recall like whatever I am, yeah, talking here. And if you are not sure that I stumble, I cannot speak just like you, so in the evening you have to recall all the sentences or words that you are stumble right now. So this kind of activity you have to do if you really want to be fluent. Means even I don't know how to speak fluent, but yeah, a little bit. Yes, but just means you have to put hours. Whatever you want to, as much as possible, try to put hours into speaking, and one day or the other, you will also gonna get, yeah, you are also able to speak English as I am right now. Yes,
yeah, yeah.
and you tell me.